everyone, today we're going to be walking you through how to send leads directly from LeadProsper to GoHighLevel, taking into account the recent changes that GoHighLevel made to their API. Starting in June 2024, GoHighLevel will be transitioning their API from version 1 to version 2, and unfortunately, that will make posting to GoHighLevel buyers difficult moving forward. In an effort to make this transition as smooth as possible, we've put together a migration wizard for LeadProsper users. This will walk you through every step needed to migrate and ensure all of your GoHighLevel buyers are ready to use version 2 when they make the switch. This involves creating a webhook URL in GoHighLevel for each sub-account and then following the wizard for each GoHighLevel buyer in your campaigns. If you're the agency owner, then this would need to be done for every sub-account. If you're sending leads to a buyer without access to their account, you'll need to ask them to create the webhook URL for each buyer. We'll have a guide linked in the video description that will walk your buyers through every step needed from their end to set up the webhook for you. With that, let's get started. To start out, we'll first need to navigate to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to switch to the specific sub-account where you want your leads directed to. To do that, you click here to switch and then select your account. Once you're in the chosen sub-account, go to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Automation. Here you'll be allowed to create a new automation in order to publish your buyers. Once you're in the automation section, go to the right-hand corner and click Create Workflow, and then select Start from Scratch. Give your workflow a name that's unique to your buyer. After you've changed your workflow name, click on Add New Trigger and find Inbound Webhook from the list of events in the right-hand panel. This will generate a URL that we'll need to copy for later. Keep this window open for now and we'll be coming back to it shortly. Now switching over to LeadProsper, we'll want to open the campaign that we're working on, and once we're in the campaign, we want to select the buyer that we're working with. Once you've opened the buyer settings, scroll down to where it says Post URL and paste the URL that you copied from GoHighLevel. Then you'll want to change the request method to Post and change the payload type to Form. Click on Generate Payload from Current Field Configuration in order to automatically include all your campaign fields in this body section. You can also customize this further if you don't need all the fields shown. Let's move down to buyer mapping. We'll want to change a few things here. Let's take a look at the Accepted Fields section. First, we'll want to change the condition to Key Contains. The key we'll want to change to Status, and the value we'll want to change to Success. Now taking a look at the duplicated section, we want to change the condition to Response Contains, the key needs to be Body, and the value needs to be Duplicate. Once you've made these changes to the buyer mapping section, be sure to hit Save. In order to make sure that everything is set up correctly, we're going to click Test Buyer and Send Request. Here it says our test result was accepted. This means that the lead was sent into GoHighLevel. Now we can navigate back to GoHighLevel and make sure that everything is mapped correctly. Once we're back in our GoHighLevel workflow, we'll want to click Fetch Sample Requests. Fetch Sample Requests and choose the first item that populates in the drop-down menu. This will populate the payload section below mapping references with the information sent over from LeadProsper. Take a moment to double check and make sure the data matches what you sent from LeadProsper. Once you've ensured that all the information matches, click Save Trigger in the bottom right-hand corner. Give your action a clear and descriptive name, and then let's move on to setting up the fields under Action Name. When you click Add a Field, it opens up a drop-down menu that allows you to select a variety of fields for mapping. These are the fields that will be saved and stored in GoHighLevel. Once you select a field, a box and a tag will appear to the right of it. Click the tag to open up another drop-down menu. From here, you'll click Inbound Webhook Trigger, and then select the corresponding field coming from LeadProsper to match the field you want to have in GoHighLevel. Repeat this process for each of the fields that you want to map. This is also your opportunity to add any additional custom tags that you want to map over using the Custom Field option. Once you've mapped all your necessary fields, click on Save Action in the bottom right-hand corner. It's crucial to make sure that this workflow is switched from draft to publish, otherwise leads sent through won't be posted to GoHighLevel properly. Click on the workflow status and select Publish before saving again. To test that the leads are actually going through and creating contacts in GoHighLevel, let's go back to LeadProsper's Test Buyer section and click on Generate Payload again. Send this request to GoHighLevel and double check that everything matches up. To test that the leads are sent in successfully, Click Trigger, go to Active, check for new posts, and select the most recent one. The information on this page should match what we see on the Test Buyer section in LeadProsper. It looks like it matches up, so our workflow is working. Let's click Save Trigger and save the workflow again. The steps outlined in this video are necessary to getting the integration to work correctly, but you can fully customize the workflow to suit your needs. Going back to the main workflow, you can now create tags, send an email, and perform other actions to customize the workflow to suit your needs. That's it for how to route leads from LeadProsper to GoHighLevel with the new API updates. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Remember, this is just one way to set things up. Feel free to customize it to fit your specific needs. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below or reach out to our support team. In the meantime, thanks for watching.